Hi, my name is Morgan Freshour. I'm a second year graduate assistant with Campus Activities. Today's event is create your own phone case, where we have it located in the Skybank room in the Union. And so we thought bringing in novelty phone cases would be something that students would like to do and be able to customize with any kind of photo they would like. And they have a variety of different phone cases for different phone types to make it more accessible in that sense. So a lot of these events are happening just so we can have more events for students to get involved with and just feel like they can get out of their rooms and come to the Union, where it's like a centralized location, and have like a cool free item that they can customize themselves, or just maybe meet other students while they're here in line waiting for these items. But I think that when we bring these events to campus, that students should take advantage of them, since they are for free and that they're usually catered towards what students would want.
Cool.